Hey, we're on.
Oh.
We're live.
Hey.
It's Committed Club time. We got a special guest. I didn't know we were doing this right now either. So, yeah, it's going to be good. Better now than later anyway, because Friday Night Lights, week 3.
Week 3.
Last one. I'm pretty excited about it.
Yep.
Can I have the microphone again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, please do.
All right.
Pizza and wings.
Pizza and wings will be ready at 5:30. Come put your name on a heat starting at 4 o'clock. So
Yes.
we have some really special prizes for the health conscious committed people. We've been given some donations. We have some Firestone. I'm not really sure what this is, but it says on here, "Do not touch, I will cut you." I believe Jose donated this, and he says,
Jose.
"Yes, Jose donated it.
It's
Thank
liquid
you."
gold. That's all he said.
Yeah, I wouldn't know, but I'm gonna trust Jose because he's a beer expert.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if we can get Jacob to verify this, then
Maybe
we will
we'll
know
win
it's
and
gold.
we can watch him drink it.
Yeah, and then Julianna has donated
Whalebone.
some wine. This is Whalebone.
Yeah.
Whalebone 2019 Rancho Deluxe. So, some booze to help you recover from being so darn committed. So, Marley, tell us who is in the Committed Club.
All right. So we have Julianna, Jannet, Sophie, all solid. Jacob, Minerva, Shanna, Valerie, John, Bonnie, Dina, Richard, Lesley, and Tim.
So, almost identical crew.
Yeah.
So,
They're
if you want to
very
know
committed.
why these people are so dang fit, it's because they come every day. Can someone take care of that little carpet dog?
Aw.
Okay, he's all right now. All right, yeah. These people look so ridiculously good because they come more than once a month.
Mm-hmm.
You know who I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I'm not going to call you out. There's more than one of you, and you know who you are. So if you want to look, feel, perform like these people, because they're badasses, superhumans, come 4 times a week or more. Get on the Committed Club, and you could win free booze. Free booze. Okay. Should we do 2 or give them together?
We can do 2.
Let's do 2. These people deserve it.
And
Okay.
the first pick gets to choose what they want. Beer or wine.
I like it. I like it. Okay, you ready?
Ready?
You ready? All right, spin those bingo balls.
She's like, let's
We
see.
have our list. Bingo
I
balls.
think, let's see.
Spin it, spin it, spin it.
Okay, let's see. Wait, there. Okay, there it is. 37.
N37, which is Shanna.
Woo!
Shanna, you won!
You won!
Booze! Shauna's here being committed already.
Yeah, she's so committed.
Okay, number 2.
Number 2.
I bet that sounds really nice on the feed.
It like takes some. Oh. Doesn't want to get one. There it is. There it is.
Okay, which one is this? You can't
73.
read. 073, John! John wins whatever Shanna doesn't want. Congratulations, John.
Good job, John. Finally.
He would love it if it was a Coors Light. That's his favorite. All right. Good luck next month.
Check into class.
Check into class. And we'll see you Friday Night Lights.